Good morning, my country people. Now still the plenty many things where they happen for this our country, the jabberjastic things where our politicians they do for this country. Now I want to talk about so. But today na question I want ask this our politician for this country. Politicians, wetin Nigerians do now? Wetin the masses do now for this country? We be say una no go fit put hospitals in order, but una go dey fly abroad, go take treatment for abroad. Go see Suleja General Hospital. Now we, our club, our organizations, the Norsemen Club International Incorporated. Now we go to the Niger State chapter. Now we go to Suleja General Hospital, go donate nets. Government, why? Wetin the masses do on for this country? And if no Spain on, I go rush go abroad for check-up. If no be this corona now, we change things small. Why wanna abandon our hospitals? Government, wetin the masses do on for this country? See schools, I don't know if you put schools in order for children of the less privileged people to have a good schools to attend. Government, wetin the masses do now? Wetin the masses do now for this country? Go to Ngamaji, go see government science secondary school there. But go see the road where they lead to the government science secondary school and go see the school yourself. Whether government serious for this country, and there you go know. Before you go to sing praises for anybody with the government, like in River State, where some people go to sing praises for some politicians. Go to Rivers West Senatorial District and go to a community called Ihwaba. I tell you, go to this Ihwaba still fall under Abua Odua Federal Constituency. They have this. There is a woman who spent 12 years in the House of Reps. Now she's in the Senate. I'm telling you, Ihwaba community I'm talking about is in Ward 10. The whole of Ward 10, there is no lights, no electricity, no pipe-borne water, no roads. Go to Ward 10 in River State, in Ahoda East Local Government Area. Also, go to Ward 9 in the same Ahoda East Local Government Area. Go and see. They don't have good access road. Is that government? What do people do now for this country? Why have people impoverished the people? Look at our people living in the local communities. Doesn't have a community care center. And people go just go deceive them, give them rights during campaign. Government, what do people do now for this country? Government, what do people do now for this country? What do people do now? The person representing us in Rivers West Senatorial District, wetin the people of Ihwaba and Ward 10 do you? When you no fit channel one small project, either na electricity, wetin e go cost you to give Ihwaba people electricity and the whole of Ward 10? Wetin e go cost you? Wetin e go cost you, madam? Wetin e go cost you to carry project go make you give electricity? See Ihwaba road, Ihwaba no fit get road. Wetin e go cost you? The person representing on in the House of Reps, wetin e go cost you now? To channel development to Ward 10. What is happening? The local government chairman representing and the ones that have represented us before. What is the problem that Ward 10 cannot have electricity? And people are hailing you people in the social media. I'm so disappointed about people hailing you people. I'm so disappointed. This is wrong. Politicians, what thing we do now? Go see Lokoja Road. Go see other roads in this country. Go see anything that has to do with the less privileged people. Go and see. What thing we do now? And now we they vote for now. And now we they vote for now. What thing they happen for this country? Government, make a reason for this country. How can people be suffering like this? And people are just enriching themselves. What kind of a country is this? What kind of a country is this? Look at people living in darkness. Let somebody go pack money, go share. See for National Assembly what they say they do investigation. Somebody they shall say off the mic because somebody want to reveal something. Which kind of country is this? We are still watching. We could see where the matter go end because the matter they silent now, but we are watching. We could see where the matter go end. If money that is meant for development, people will just share it among themselves. We will see where the matter will end. We could see how that matter will be silenced in this country. It's getting too much, and we can't take it any longer.